So to first start, we are going to add our webcam. So click on add video capture device, okay. And from here select your webcam. This is the C922. Right now this is my webcam and this is my background. I have a green screen, so you can just add it like here, like this. Go to resolution and select custom resolution. You can select 1080p, select FPS 30 FPS, and after this go to this configure video. And from here you have some settings. You can change the exposure from here, the camera, and you can change the gain, brightness, contrast, and all these settings. These are the camera control settings. Without OBS Studio, these are the camera itself. It has these options. So adjust these settings, like for example exposure. If I increase it like this, you see this part of my face is just so shiny, so decrease it to -6 is good. You can control the brightness, increase it or decrease it. Just start playing with these settings. Brightness, leave the contrast, saturation, sharpness, gain. From here just adjust the gain and brightness. These are the two settings that you want to change from here, and everything else can be changed from OBS Studio itself. So just apply and okay. Now we have our webcam here. Okay, let's crop this. Okay, now this is one way to add this camera. We have added webcam. So for example, I can disable it, click on the activate now, and I can add it in another way. I have the Logitech Capture app. This is the Logitech app itself for the camera. So I can make the camera open in this Logitech app and add some filters and add everything I want in it, and then add it to OBS Studio. Right now I have it. If I go back to OBS Studio and add another video capture, two or the same one, and can change it. Change this from C922 to the Logitech Capture. As you can see, right now we have our Logitech Capture here. I'm going to show you later. Just okay. So right now let's crop this in OBS. Let's say here I want to change some settings from here. So let's say anything I do in this app, it's going to change here first and then send it to OBS Studio. And you can also apply some filters in OBS Studio, but if I open it like this and go to configure video, the small windows that appeared before won't appear here this way, because this way you are going to control it from the app itself, not from OBS. From here you can say I increase the zoom like this, for example. You can increase the zoom and it affects here directly. Autofocus, you can change it, for example like this. Just leave it to auto. You can change all the settings. Exposure, brightness, contrast, everything. You can change everything from here, and after you change everything you want from here, this will be sent to OBS Studio. You can use this way if you want to use the webcam. Let's say I want to use it in OBS Studio and I want to use it in browser and I want to use it in a Zoom call. You can't add it in OBS Studio as this way, with this way you talked about before. You select it like this. If you add it like this, you won't be able to use it in any other app. And let's say you want some effects from here. Let's say I want the chroma effect from here. If I enable it, it removes the background. Maybe the chroma effect here is better than OBS Studio, so I want to use it here and then send it to OBS Studio. This is the idea. So you can add effects, you can add whatever you want from here and then send it to OBS Studio. I added it this way. Let's say I want here and I click on activate. This is the one way. So if I activate it, it won't work. To make this first webcam work, I need to deactivate the one here. This is the Logitech. Deactivate. Let's close this one. You see it doesn't want to work, so let's close this one. Deactivate, activate. Right now it works. Now you understand you can add it in two ways. The first way is this one here. You add it, you can configure video from here. You can change everything from here without needing the app itself. But after changing any of these settings, I want you to take a screenshot, take a picture with your phone to these settings, because OBS Studio, when you restart your PC or close OBS, these settings might get back to normal. So you want to make it the same as you had before. You want to adjust it until it's good for you and then take a picture of it, so you can just adjust it again. Just take a screenshot and you will be fine. Okay. Now we have our webcam here. Let's say I want to add it here on the side, and let's add some filters. Let's remove this. Select your webcam and go to filters. There's supposed to be a separate video for filters, but let's say for example I want to add some color correction. Okay, you see here it's not cropped. You see here I cropped it from the preview, as I talked before. I cropped it from the preview. So let's say I want to crop it from here. Let's say add crop. Okay, add crop first, and let's say this is right, so let's say remove 400. Okay, Now we removed 400 from here. Let's say from left, let's remove 150. As you can see, this is now better, so let's make this 250. Okay, now I want it like this. Now go to color correction. I increase the gamma, the brightness, the contrast, and everything until you find a good result for you. So default, okay, this is the default now for me. So let's get this one back. Okay, make it like this. I can also add chroma key. There's chroma key. I will talk about each filter alone later. I'll make a separate video about chroma key, so you can watch it later if you want. But for now, this is how to add any filter. So this is it. Let's say for example you want to add another webcam. So let's say I want to add my face here and I want to add another webcam. I'm going to use my tablet as a webcam here. So let's add capture device 2 and let's add another one. I can't add the same one. Let's select iron webcam. This is another webcam that we have, so it doesn't work till now. Deactivate, activate to refresh. So let's take our webcam, iron webcam. Right now I have another camera working here. This is my tablet and I'm going to show you how to use your phone or your tablet as a webcam later in another video. Now I have two webcams here and I've added iron webcam. So when I move, as you can see here, I have, let's take this here and put it below my webcam. I can crop it. Let's say I want to crop this part. And now I have two webcams and I can control them and add filters to each one and make it work fine. So this is it, how to use a webcam in OBS Studio. You see this is my mic here. So this was how to add a webcam in OBS Studio if you want to add multiple ones. The next video I'm going to talk about green screen and how to use it. So see you in the next video.